Hello students, let's study about search engine fundamentals. In this lecture, we are going to define the key components of different types of SEO and to understand the keyword research strategy for SEO. In the last lecture, we discussed about importance of search engine optimization, role of SEO in digital marketing, working of search engines and types of SEO. So, we discussed in the last lecture that we have four types of SEOs, that are on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO and local SEO. The key components of on-page SEO. Let us study what we have to do to perform on-page SEO in our website. So the first component is the keyword research. It is the main aspect of on-page SEO or every type of SEO. Without this, we cannot do search engine optimization. The keywords are the main parts of a search engine query. Keyword research should be done strategically, and the keywords should be placed in the titles, headings, URLs and throughout the content. Keywords should be searched according to the relevance of our website, and after that they should appear on each and every aspect of a web page. The important aspects are the titles, headings and URLs. Second is the content quality and relevance. High quality, engaging and informative content that answers users' questions are very important for on-page SEO. If a user visits your sites and does not find the result and presses the back button, it will decrease your ranking. Your web page's ranking will be decreased by the crawler, that the user is not finding the relevant results in the website. So content quality should be very high and relevant to the query or the keywords that you are putting in your web page. For example, I am doing a clothes business and I am putting the keywords related to clothes, but when a user is searching about to buy shoes and the results are getting my web page and user is not getting the data or content related to shoes, it will press back button and it will decrease our ranking in the search engine. Next is the title tags. Title tags should be clear, relevant and ideally include the target keyword. The title of a web page should contain the target keyword for which we want our website to be searched by the users. Meta descriptions. A short summary up to 160 characters of the page's content should be in our meta tag. Header tags H1, H2, H3 should be used, and using proper heading tags to structure the content increases the better readability. The URL structure of our website should be relevant and should not include the useless words that we don't want our user to see and search for. Internal linking, it should be very good enough, and the site structure should be very clean and straightforward. There not be the nested kind of internal linkings, like page A is linking to page B and then page B is linking to page C, again linking to page A. It should not be there. If I am getting a menu, the menu should take me to every page of the website, and after that I should be able to get to the home page of the website. So internal linking is a good criteria for on page SEO's ranking. Image optimization. My image should be in a proper format, in a proper resolution, and it should contain the alt tag. Just in the image shown here, you can see if there is an image with 7 cups put it on a wooden table. So if the image is not loaded due to some internet issues, there must be an alt tag. In the right side you can see 7 cups in the wooden table. It is showing the alt tag. So alt tag should be put in the image tag so that user can see what kind of image is there if it is not loaded. Mobile friendliness. Our website should be mobile friendly. It should be portable enough, and a user can use it or scroll it from the mobile easily. If it is there, then our on page SEO holds a good ranking. User experience. As we all know, we are making our business or website, the social presence is all because of the user experience. So user should have a good experience while crawling or surfing our website, and if it is getting the relevant results, a user is always happy.
This is the format of a web page, an HTML page when it is designed. Now here you can see in HTML page we have two elements like head and body. Here in the head tag, a user should always place a title tag. Title tag is the tag which implements the keywords which are shown in the title bar of a web page. So here I can put my keywords related to my business or the queries user will search. Suppose I am running a business that provides vegetarian and non-vegetarian both the foods. So I can put the keywords here like vegetarian foods, okay, and other things like vegetarian food and sandwiches. Suppose I provide the breakfast items, sandwiches, and something like breads, types of breads, etc., etc. I can put up to 60 characters here. So these are the food items or the keywords of my web page that will offer to users after they search for vegetarian food. This page will occur in the query when a user searches about sandwiches, breads, or vegetarian foods. It should not be very, very long, and it should be crisp to provide the main keywords of that page only, not the whole website. Now, the other elements we have discussed are like is the meta tag. Meta tag are used to put some keywords inside your head tag. These meta tags are crawled by the spiders. Search engines especially search for the meta tags in a web page. So, how do you put the meta tags? We have to give a name to this meta tag. There is an attribute called name, and in which we have to put keywords. So, name equals to keywords. It will be crawled by the user when the crawler when the crawler will find these keywords, and the content here are the keywords that are used by search engine to search the web page. So here also I can put some keywords of the vegetarian food I am providing to user, such like parathas and some sauces and some sandwiches and many more. I can put more of the keywords here. Next is the body tag. What does a body tag is required? It provides the body of the web page. So here we can use the tags that are being studied or crawled by the crawler are H1, H2, and H3. These are called heading tags. So we should, if I want something to be attracted by user, or I want something to be written in bold, I should use heading tags. So H1, H2, H3 are the heading tags. Up to H6, you can put headings in your web page so that a user can search. So suppose I'm providing the types of sandwiches in my web page, I should put it in a heading tag. Now, the next thing is the image optimization. So image optimization deals with making the image searchable by crawlers so that they can appear in the image search. We also do image search in Google. Like you want to search about some flowers, you click on the images option and all the images of the flowers appear there. So what does the image tag do? We put images into our web page with the help of this image tag, and whenever the user searches for an image, the images only appear that are crawlable by the web crawler. So, how does we make our image crawlable by the web crawler? So, the first thing in the image tag or the first attribute is SRC, source. So, always remember, do not give your image names like 123.jpg or XYZ or ABC, or suppose I am giving an image of sandwich here, so sand1.jpg. No, this is not feasible. This will not be understandable. When we want our user to search about a sandwich, our image name should be like sandwich. Okay, so if we put the image names like this, it is easy for user or crawlers to search for it. It will appear in the search of a sandwich. Next thing is the alt tag. It is very important, as I have told you in the slide also, that alt tag appears when the image is not loaded due to some network issues or other issues. Alt tag will appear there. So if you want the user to see what is the image there if not loaded, then you can put here image of a veg sandwich. So this alt tag, or if the user will hover the cursor over the image, it will be displayed there. If sometimes you want, a user is not understanding what kind of image is this, you can put the alt tag there. So these are the some on page SEO things we can do to make our page optimized for SEO.
Next, the key components of off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, as we have studied in the last chapter, is the things we do from outside of the page. So the things are, first is backlinks. Backlinks is an important criteria. We should have quality backlinks from reputable websites. If a reputable website or renowned website is linking to our page, it will increase our ranking. Social signals. Engagement from social media platforms, for example, likes, shares, and comments. If our website is liked by most of the users, it has been shared, the content has been shared by most of the users, then it will increase our ranking. And it is the engagement from social media platforms, like I can prefer or I can refer someone my website from another website by sharing a link or saying that this is a good website, and the comments should include my website link, so it will a good off page SEO. Brand mentions. Mentions of your brand across the web is an important part of off page SEO. If someone is mentioning my brand on his video or giving the link in the comments, as you all see the YouTube videos, the bloggers, the influencers are giving the links of my website in their comments, then it will be good for my website's ranking. Guest blogging and influencer marketing. Writing guest posts for reputable websites or collaborating with influencers. As you all might have seen in the Amazon, influencers make videos of the things they like. It will improve the branding or the criteria of that product to sell more. Online reviews. Positive reviews on platforms like Google My Business, Yelp, and industry specific sites helps in increasing the off-page SEO. We will study in next few slides that what is Google My Business and how it helps in local SEO. Now, the key components of technical SEO. Technical SEO refers to the technicalities of a web page or a website to build its search engine optimization. Website speed plays an important role in technical SEO. Fast loading pages are critical for both user experience and SEO rankings. For example, a website A is loaded fast than website B, then user will prefer watching the queries or searching for something in website A rather than the slow loading pages of website B. So a user experience always matters in terms of website speed. Crawlability and indexing. Using robots.txt to manage which pages bots can access and which cannot, and the XML sitemap is very important, as the crawler scans the XML sitemap to visit the web pages of a website. Let's see an example of a robots file. Next is mobile optimization. Mobile friendly websites and optimized for all screen sizes plays an important role in ranking our website. If I am using hamburger menus and other things which a mobile portability increases, so the website will be more preferred by the users in their mobiles. If my website is not loading properly in a mobile or any tablet or a small size screen, then it will be not preferred by users to visit. HTTPS and SSL. Secure websites with HTTPS are favored by search engines. So keep in mind that whenever you register your domain, keep track of the SSL certificate you get it from the domain server. Structured data. Implementing schema markup is a very important thing in technical SEO. We should have an XML sitemap and schema should be marked up. Fixing broken links. Regularly check for broken links that are 404 errors and fix them. For example, a home page or any page linking to my home page is not loading or there is an error, then you should fix it as soon as possible. It will reduce the ranking if not fixed on time. Site architecture and URL structure. A clear and logical structure of a site is very important in technical SEO. A site should have a flat structure. It is ideal for the search engines to crawl. Now, the key components of local SEO. Local SEO refers to the web sites that have the physical presence in a local area. Google My Business. It is a very important tool. Google My Business optimization helps in building the local SEO. It claims and optimizes your GMB listing with accurate information including the address, phone number, business hours and photos. It encourages customers to leave positive reviews for your business. Local citations. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number are consistent across all local directories and platforms. It should not be like our address is showing something in Pinterest, different in Google, and different in other websites. It should not like that. Local keywords. Optimize your content with local keywords. For example, best coffee shop in your city to target the local searchers. I'm not going to have a coffee in next city to my city, so it should contain the keywords name called city if you are running a local business. Let's see an example here. If I'm searching for a cake shop or a bakery shop in my locality, GMB, this website or this business is registered in Google My Business, and you might have shown these kind of results where we can get directions to get there, we can save this business, we can share this business if we find it relevant, or I find good content or good bakery items there, so I can share this business with others, I can call them to, so the contact number given here should be relevant and working condition. So this is the example of Google My Business. Next is the research strategy in SEO. What are the research strategies we do while working with SEO? The first one is to identify potential seed keywords. As we have studied, keywords play a crucial role in SEO, so we have to make a list of general terms related to our business or website. They are frequently called seed keywords. The keywords that are relevant to my business, whatever the users are searching with the keyword, if I want them to find my website, they are called the seed keywords for my website. For instance, coffee, coffee shop, best coffee, or coffee near me, coffee in city XYZ are the examples of seed keywords if you own a coffee shop. Next is to examine the search question. It is very important for a user, for a website owner to examine the search question, that what kinds of questions are going to refer to your website. For efficient keyword targeting, it is essential to comprehend the search intent. Now, what is the search intent? It is of four types. Whenever a user visits a search engine, it has either informational intent. What is informational intent? User is trying to search what and how kind of questions, like what is the use of AI in computers. So this is informational intent. The user should be directed to the website where something, a blog or a content about AI is given. Navigational intent is to log in or sign up in a website. So here user knows which page to load for login, just like logging into your Facebook account. Transactional intent is to sell or buy something. A user wants to buy something, it will search a query, it will produce a query to buy shoes. So it should redirect to a shopping website. And last is the commercial investigation intent. It is like comparing something, best deals. If I'm going to buy a car, I'm comparing two or three cars, so it should be the commercial intent. So take into account long tail keywords is very important. The last but not the least is the long tail keywords. We should not stick to smaller keywords like coffee and coffee near me. A long tail keyword like best organic fair trade coffee beans for espresso might help me to get the non organic users to my website. In the next lecture, we will discuss about different types of SEO tools that will help us in doing the search engine optimization. Thank you.